Okay, so this is my login page where we have a login. Okay, here I have a form name is a login, and after login this will call to the create session servlet. Okay, and here are the attributes which I had passed, that is the username and password, which will get passed once I will click the submit form. So let's run the application and check the functionality of the HTTP session part, whether the session is getting implemented or not, and what are the things which needs to be done in a session if we are establishing a session. Okay, so here I am running the file. Okay, give me 1 minute. So as you checked, we ran the file, and the file is getting opened over here. If you check the URL over here, okay, so the URL is localhost at 8080 session management. Session management is my context of my project. Okay, and the file which I am loading over here is the index.html file, which is getting, if you are able to check, so this is the index.html which is right now loaded, the form which we have ran. Okay, so now here we have a login page. Okay, so do you see this login page over here? So in the login page, what we'll do, we have kept like the default login for this administrator. So we'll take the ID system and the password is root. Okay, so I had entered this thing over here and I am doing the login over here. So once I had logged in, the login, the session, the welcome session page got loaded. Okay, like I have logged into the session, and the context is our session management. Okay, and if you check the username which I had passed, so here it is showing my username welcome system. Okay, and I have the page of logout. So if I click on the logout, it will redirect me to the logout page. But before going to that, one thing I want to tell you, like after logging, if I am doing the back press, so it will directly redirect me to the login page again. Okay, so it means that my session is not getting created over here. Okay, now I am again going to put the password. Okay, and now I'm again signing in with the same login. So again I had created the session. Okay, now I am doing the logout. So as if you check, I had did the logout, and I am coming to my logout servlet, which is also at my project context session management. Okay, and here I have the message logged out successfully. Okay, and here I had given one message, session logout, click here to log into return page. Now what happens if user is not going to click on the login page, and if he wants the previous session page back, so you won't be able to get that. If you want, you can get the tried over here. Once you click on that, it will show you that you have to once again submit the form because the session was not established. Okay, we had already logged out, so that's why there is no session available. And if he again clicks on back, he will again get to the login page screen. Okay, and one more thing, that the last part that I'm going to tell you over here is we'll again do the login. So the ID is system and the password is root, and we are again signing in with the same login. Okay, here I had again did the login, and I'm doing the logout. So again it came at the logout, and after logout, if I click on the login page, it will redirect me to the login page. Okay, so I came on the login page. What I can do, if you check, the browser back button is still enabled over here. So I should get my previous page if my login is not working properly. But if you check, if I will do that part, it will give the message over here, session does not exist, please try login again. Click here to login, return to the login page, and if I again click on the login page, this will redirect me to the login page again. So if I do the login again, it will again create this session, and I will be able to get the screen again over here. So this is the whole functionality of session. Like if you are logging out, then at the browser back button you should not get the login page again. Okay, yeah, if you check, I had load, and now if I am doing this part, so it's giving the message login again. And yeah, definitely if I again do that, it will give me that same form, and if you do that double, it will again redirect you to the login page. Okay, so this is the whole functionality of session management. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.